Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. What is the difference between our two double-size coated DTF film? When you check our DTF consumable list, you will find two double-size coated DTF films. DTF 75 MDR16 and DTF 75 MDR16 Plus. DTF 75 MDR16 Plus is the top quality of our DTF film. There are more technical processes than DTF 75 MDR16, and each coating has a single function, so the all-around performance is relatively stable. DTF 75 MDR16 has a better cost performance, and most customers affirm it. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.